So the best way I like to explain is if you want a soft whisk, but you don't want anything too drastic, you drop 2 numbers. If you want a strong, dramatic, you can straight up tell it's a wispy look, you drop 4 numbers. If you want something light, you don't want too straight, but you don't want too much wispiness. There's some people that are like, I don't like the wispiness, but I don't want it to look blunt. So blunt, basically, have you seen those caterpillar looking lashes? That just look kind of like there's one size?
Oh yeah.
That's blunt. You don't want that. So you don't want to create that, but you just don't want to give them too much wispiness. You just drop 1 number. So if let's say it's a 12, you drop down to an 11. They say I want something kind of wispy, but not too wispy, but not too soft, like something in the middle, kind of in between. But they don't want to do too soft where you go here and like it's still noticeable. You go here because this will give you dramaticness and fullness, but it won't be too overpowering. Another way I like to explain it is, do they want airy tips? So airy wispy tips, you'll get it doing it through this. So either one of these two will give you airy and wispy. This one will give you very airy and wispy. This one will give you more a wispy vibe. So this one has more of that. This one has more of both of these. You have to try and see, but you can always drop in different numbers depending on what your client wants, like what they're trying to achieve. For you personally, I want to say I draw 3 numbers because I do a 12 in the center and then I come back down to a 9. So that's 3 numbers. 9, 10, 11, 12. If I wanted to create really wispiness, I'll put a 12 and then I'll put an 8 instead of a 9. And that'll give you like extreme wispiness. Wow, I like this fan. It's so pretty. I don't like the base. We can improve. Such a fan is so cute. These are good. So what else have you been struggling with this year?
Well, it was just more like because you said the fans were okay, remember? It was just the picking and kind of like doing my hair. And that's the part where I would kind of struggle to like, when I was doing the cutting, like actually like, picking up his spines. It was just when it came down to like sticking it to his hair and just kind of like having it like maybe say like wrap around the thing. Yeah, that's
a wrap.
Yeah.
Okay. That comes with time. So you weren't able to get it flush, right? Like it was kind of
it was still like the same thing.
Okay.
So I had some that were staying and some that would just kind of fall off.
Okay.
And then I'll just
Yeah, that comes with time. I would recommend you keep practicing, keep using your cupping method because that's going to show you really how it would attach with a real human. On a human, you'll see it's a little bit easier because the hair, the lash is a tad thicker than your personal hair when it's just one. So I definitely think that you'll be able to do that then. So I always remember, I saw that you put it on this finger. I like to put it on this finger because I feel more comfortable with this. So right here, tweezer. Spread your lash. I like to work with 11s or 10s sometimes because they're a little bit bigger. And I just found better in my color. So when you grab your little fan, I'm just gonna make a little baby one. And there. And you press down. Start wiggling ever so slightly.
I would have let it like that, and then some would stay like that. But obviously, like you said, the hairs would slow down higher, and then would just maybe put some more at it. But I think, like you said, it's sticking too.
So let's improve your fan making skills too. So make a fan. Have you been practicing with fan making?
Yeah. So I've been doing, like you said, like a little bit.
Thanks. That's beautiful. You made a good fan. That looks good. Okay. So with your placing, you see how it's too, like, look at it.
Yeah.
Como que muy levantado. Lo queremos un poquito más flat para que se mire así. Porque así cualquier cosita can pop off.
Okay.
Y no queremos
when they brush it off.
Pero your fan came out so good.